Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. Stephan Sturges is currently in the process of developing WALDO 2.0, an impressive tool that leverages AI to swiftly identify objects in drone footage. WALDO possesses immense potential for various surveillance applications, and the combination of this technology with satellite imagery opens up remarkable possibilities for the future. Stephan is committed to making this technology accessible to a wide range of users, and individuals can now apply for early access to it. Stephan himself has expressed concerns about the immense power of WALDO 2.0, raising questions about whether it should be released publicly. The concept is both astonishing and unsettling, evoking a mix of wonder and apprehension. Artificial intelligence is now being employed in the pursuit of deciphering animal communication. Promising AI advancements are emerging with the goal of unraveling the mysteries concealed within the clicks of sperm whales, potentially unearthing a wealth of hidden information. One such initiative, known as Project CETI, focuses on decoding the language of federally endangered sperm whales. By affixing digital recorders to the backs of whales or turtles, researchers can capture sounds that lie beyond the range of human hearing. This innovative approach combines computer vision with natural language processing, enabling the identification of distinct animal patterns without causing disruption to the ecosystem. In a parallel effort, the Earth Species Project is engaged in the vital task of cataloging the vocalizations of Hawaiian crows. Merlyn Mind, a digital assistant platform powered by AI, has introduced a groundbreaking set of large language models tailored specifically for the education industry. These LLMs are carefully crafted to align with education workflows and meet safety standards, enabling teachers and students to utilize generative models that are curated based on selected curricula. This integration facilitates an enriched learning journey. As an integral component of their purpose-built generative AI platform, these LLMs possess the capability to interact with specific collections of educational content. Undoubtedly, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in educational innovation. Databricks executes a strategic maneuver by acquiring MosaicML, a prominent open-source startup known for its exceptional neural network proficiency, in a momentous deal worth $1.3 billion. This acquisition catapults MosaicML's valuation to an astounding 6 times its previous round, surging from $222 million to $1.3 billion. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.